Ooh. What y'all thinking about my quarantine look? Anyway, what is up, YouTube? Back with another video. Yes, we're back with a video. It's true. Speedy Bros has made another video once again. In today's video, we're gonna be doing some stuff around the shop. We're gonna try to catch you up on what we've been doing here at the shop, because there's actually a lot of stuff we've been doing at the shop. For example, we got a 02 Suzuki 85 dirt bike. It's a RM85. Let me show you real quick. RM85. You guys can see it. We just picked that bike up not too long ago. Actually, last night, when I was editing that video that you guys seen, I don't know what day. I should be posting this video sometime, either tonight or tomorrow. But whenever you see this video, the video I posted last night, in that video, that's when I ordered the parts for that. So all this stuff should come in. Let me fix the brightness on this thing. Alright. All the stuff for that should come in. Should be either around the 30th or the 28th. We ordered a fresh piston for it, plastic kits. We even did the radiator, stickers. There's a lot of stuff we ordered for it. New exhaust, but you're gonna see it when we get here. Also, yes, the power stroke. We still got stuff in the shop we're working on, so I'm gonna try to see if I can get to working on that today. I want to take the seats out of it because the seats are terrible in it. I actually can show you guys real quick. Yes. Yeah. But I'm trying to do all that in this video, let you guys see that. Yeah, so let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so I'm actually gonna take everything out the shop real quick. Set y'all up real quick, let y'all see that. Alright, we got all that out the way. Yeah, just seen this man Leroy walk back here. See what he doing over here. No cap. What you looking at this for? Huh? What you looking at this for? Which one? Oh yeah, you talking about the oh yeah, we supposed to be picking up a truck today too, guys. Y'all gonna see that later on in the vlog. Take us up to the vlog, man.
What up, vlog? What's going on? I know y'all see me yesterday. Go crazy. No, it's up, bro.
This man funny. I told him we hitting them with the back-to-back.
Back-to-back, you know what I'm saying? Coronavirus special.
This is a Corona special. Nah, we're gonna try to, I'm not gonna say try, because if you say try,
you won't get nothing done.
Exactly. You heard what he said.
Period.
We're gonna give y'all a video every day. No, so. Let me stop lying to them.
Nah. The thought that counts.
Nah, but we're gonna drop some videos for y'all back to back.
Is that a new water pump?
On this?
I don't know, I'm trying to figure out.
He said it was a new, I think he said it was a new water pump and
they said new starter and all that.
New starter. But this is not the same engine that's in there though.
I know it's a V8, but still start the V8 gonna go on the V6.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is still.
You gotta look and see what size engine that was, because it might be a smaller V8.
But it's probably 5.9.
Alright, drop a comment if y'all think a Durango, what year was that, a 90?
Not Durango, who's that, Dakota?
Oh, Dakota, a 90, what was it, 98?
Yeah.
98 Dakota truck with that same motor. Well, not the same motor, but yeah, the same motor. Do they have the same motor as a Dodge 1500? The Ram 1500. Leave a comment down below if you think that might work. But I know it don't, because Leroy's slow.
But radiator for Z400.
Z400, I do not know. Yeah, he keeps talking about this radiator. I don't know what he's talking about. That ain't got nothing to do with what we finna do today.
It's a ground wire.
Ooh, just look at it. Yes, sir. We're gonna start off for you guys to see today. Actually, when I take the seats and stuff out, start cleaning it out, I want to check the brake lines too, because we got a little leak in the brake lines, so try to get all that knocked out today. Got a lot on the agenda. You want to start washing this up and help me take the seats out there? Alright, y'all, so we're going to try to get all this stuff out of here. I mean, y'all could see. It's a nice vehicle. I mean, little to no rust. Try to check it out. Get a little mirror right there. The motor runs like a charm. Like I said, I'm not gonna crank it up right now because I don't think you got a battery in it. But once you get a hot battery in there, is a battery in it? Y'all heard that? He said there's a battery in it. So y'all might hear it. Hold up. Hold the camera real quick, bro. Hold the viewers, man. You gotta make sure those are viewers, man. Those y'all are supporters.
Man, I don't know what he talking about. You know what I'm saying? He don't know what's going on with the car and the batteries and everything.
Support your boys.
You see that diesel, right? You don't see that diesel? Big boy diesel.
I mean, if you want to donate to, our cash app is SpeedyBrothers. So yeah, you know, y'all can kind of help with the channel, help get everything going. If you feel like donating, if you're feeling generous, you know what I mean? Is it key here? Get ready for it. Gotta let it sit for 1 second. Uno, dos, tres. Watch your hand. I'm finna turn it over.
Got it.
Ooh. Yes, sir. Bro, when I tell you this thing sounds so sweet, I just love the way diesel sound. I wasn't really a big fan of the Power Stroke, but actually the 7.3, it's the 7.3 liter engine in here. The 7.3's got some pretty decent motors. I'm more of a Cummins person myself. I always liked the Cummins, but after actually seeing this motor, after actually seeing this truck, and I kind of looked up a few videos online on this truck, and these things got some power, man, and they sound good when you straight pipe them. So we got a lot of plans for this truck. We'll probably go all the way with it, do some builds with it, we're gonna paint it, you know, so y'all gonna see the process of that too, so just stay tuned. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel. I know a lot of you people be on here, y'all be watching the channel, but y'all not subscribed. So I'm gonna give y'all a moment real quick. You gotta hit that subscribe button down low. Y'all wanna see some more content on the truck. And if y'all wanna support your boys, so we can keep doing stuff for you guys to see, and we keep doing what we love to do. But with that being said, we finna switch to a quick montage real quick and get to cleaning this truck out.
Came from the bottom, started this out with nothing. Turned the fam in my squad, then turned this thing into something. I grab a cone and I stuff it. Never gonna get enough, depending on how it's going. We only gonna get tougher. I done seen people suffer. Hate turned into love. Lost some people that get here, but they watching from up above. On the road, hardly ever home. And money caught one in the dome. Now it's hard to even pick up my phone. Leave me alone, I be in my zone. I'm getting grown, but not too grown to let my feelings show. Anything you want, you can get. You gotta do.
Alright, y'all. So as y'all can see, we got the front bolts out the seats right here. I actually just got back from AutoZone. I had to go get some brake lines real quick, so got those. Gonna get ready to throw those on because they actually had a brake leak right there at the bottom, right here. So I'm gonna fix that real quick, pump it up, so we can get some stopping power. Right now we ain't stopping, so I'm gonna throw that on real quick. Then I'll catch back up with y'all, keep y'all posted. All right, y'all, quick update. So it's a few hours later. I got the brake lines on, but the only thing about it, let me show y'all real quick. We got another leak over here. Let's see right. Kind of show y'all. It's right there on that line. You can kind of see it dripping. So that just set me back a little bit, but I'm about to make a quick trip up there to AutoZone again, see if I can find that line. If I can't find it, I'll probably have to go to a junkyard or something, see if I can pull off another older truck or something like that. You know, the truck right there, just pull it up.
Well, look, I brought something home.
That's the new build right here I was talking about.
Yeah.
Man, we got so many deals.
Man, so much to do. So much to do. Yeah. First of all, we snatching these off.
I gotta go.
Gas.
That's what make it look like a grandpa truck, bro.
Like,
This is like the ultimate grandpa truck right here. When you see this right here, let me show y'all this. When you see this right here, just on this truck right here, that's how you know. The step guard, oh, it got the step guard and everything. That's how you know it's a grandpa truck. But we're gonna rip all that off. We're trying to decide what type of color we want to do with it. I think we just go black. What you think?
Yeah, black. Probably
go black.
Not matte black, but like a good shiny black. Ooh, look at that lightning.
Oh yeah, it was just storming there too, y'all. Not too long ago.
Yeah. We just low ride it.
It's a little rider.
It's a little Mexican lowrider.
Not to be racist or anything.
We probably go black on this mug.
Black, nice shiny
Usually black.
Nice little shiny black lift kit. And then
Do a lift
some
kit.
of them drag pipes come out the back.
Drag pipe. That'd be lit.
Put a little hot cam in there, a little turbo. Step 2. Well, you're still a rat. You said that.
You found the key?
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing sounded kind of. Hey, I wonder why it sound like that.
I guess it's all the horsepower now. The horse is trying to jump out the motor.
Hey, Lear, did you try the shifter? Huh? Try the shifter. Yeah, Ron trying to see what that pedal do.
We got a little exhaust leak.
Hey, Lear, come here. It's right here, look. This is where it's leaking from. This is where it's leaking from right here. Hit the pedal. Hey, Ron, hit the pedal. It's probably gonna ski. Hold up. Alright. You cut it off? It's this one right here. Yeah, see, you can see all the wetness too down there too. Yeah, I threw the other brake lines on, but I see we still got another leak.
Oh yeah.
We can go grab that tomorrow though. Go to AutoZone. That's probably gonna be in tomorrow's video.
Yeah, man, this mother slipped in hand cleaning that turbo.
What's up with this tag?
Alright, but that's gonna do it for today's video. We're gonna catch up with you guys tomorrow. Once again, till next time. Peace.